Hello! In 1 or 2 years, we're going to see the facelifted current gen A6 and A7. There are also probably going to be a long rumored performance versions for the RS6 and RS7. Anyway, here's my vision or prediction on how the facelifted RS6 and RS7 will look. What do you think about it? Here's the version with the black front fascia, and here's the one with the front fascia in body color. Which one do you think looks better? Now you can see it in some different color combinations. And compare it with the current RS7. That's all for today. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons, and also check my second channel, Cooking with Emet. Thanks for watching and see ya!